Are you looking for the best home first aid kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best home first aid kits that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Be Smart Get Prepared First Aid Kit. You will be having first aid items at your fingertips when you buy the Be Smart Get Prepared First Aid Kit, 326 pieces. As opposed to most first aid kits, this 326-piece first aid kit has 2 separate layers that will allow you to keep small and large first aid items separately. It also features tilting shelves that keep items you use most at an arm's length. Plus, these shelves make the kit extremely easy to refill. In addition, this first aid kit has a case made of high-density plastic, which is strong and durable enough to overcome the daily rigorous use. The strong plastic case will allow you to use the kit without any worries, knowing that it will last longer than expected. Whether you are at home or on the go, this first aid kit is for you. So, get it today. Moving on at number 4. We have the Surviveware First Aid Kit. Designed to last, the Surviveware First Aid Kit is durable and strong. It is made of 600D polyester, and this makes it one of the strongest first aid kits in its class. It includes a pair of large stainless steel scissors, which can easily cut through seatbelts and clothing. Unlike other scissors, the large pair of scissors is made of stainless steel, and, therefore, will not break under pressure. The kit comes complete with 100 basic items to make sure you have everything at your disposal when saving a life. Despite the number of items, this kit weighs only 1 pound and even has compatible straps on the back for easy carry. You will find it effective when going for backpacking, hiking, camping or road trips. At number 3, we have the DeftGet First Aid Kit Waterproof Portable First Aid Kit. The DeftGet First Aid Kit Waterproof Portable First Aid Kit, 163-piece, only has upgraded and unique items. This is because the manufacturer wants nothing to limit your ability to protect life. Some of these items include tweezers, metal scissors, and compass, among others. They help make the kit versatile and handy for many different applications. Besides, this kit is lightweight and compact despite holding lots of valuable first aid supplies. The manufacturer has also backed it by a 100% satisfaction guarantee to make sure you are at peace with your purchase. Your active lifestyle should not be compromised by unexpected injuries, not when this first aid kit is just a click away. Order it today from Amazon and make a strong statement to future injuries. At number 2, we have the M2 Basics First Aid Kit. Make sure the life of your family and friends are not at risk by acquiring the M2 Basics First Aid Kit, 300-piece today. It is a complete kit that comes with 40 unique items, including adhesive bandage strips, sterile gauze sponges and rolls, antiseptic towelettes, abdominal trauma and eye pads, cleansing wipes, disposable latex-free gloves, metal tweezers, metal scissors, and more. These items are numerous, hence, making the kit highly versatile. This means the kit can be used anywhere, including kitchen, office, school, daycare, military, marine, vehicle, boats, and outdoors. The manufacturer of this first aid kit provides a first aid guide when you buy the kit to make sure you know how to use every item in there. And finally, at number 1, we have the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. New and upgraded, the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit, 120-piece, has up to 120 medical-grade items, which are compactly packed in a flexible and durable design. The first aid kit measures 9 by 3 by 6 inches and weighs 1.2 pounds. And this means you will have no problem carrying it from place to place. Ideally, this kit includes survival tools, stainless steel trauma shears, and instant ice pack, among others. It also has extra 32-piece mini first aid kit. Additionally, all of the pieces in this kit are FDA approved to give you peace of mind knowing that you are using a thoroughly tested and certified product. The kit is trusted by nurses, doctors, parents, students, pediatrics, emergency responders, and police officers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.